Today we'll be assembling the all-terrain kit and cargo wagon. To start, take the rear brake assembly and snap it onto the rear frame of the wagon, making sure that the spring pins are fully seated. Next, take the rear axle and slide it through the hole on the brake assembly. Make sure that the tab lines up with the slots in the brake. Take the rear wheels and place them on either side of the axle.
Make sure the black brake adapters are facing inward.
Place one of the M8 washers over the end of the axle, followed by one of the M8 nuts. Using the included tool, fully tighten it down. Repeat these steps on the other side to attach the other rear wheel. Once both rear wheels are attached, snap on the hubcaps, aligning the 3 tabs with the 3 slots on the wheel. Repeat this for the other side. To assemble the front wheels, start by taking one spacer and placing it over the stem of each caster fork. Make sure to identify which wheel is left and which wheel is right. Then assemble the stem of the caster fork through the bearings on the front of the frame. Take each M6x10 screw and place one of the metal M6 washers on top of it, followed by one of the flexible plastic washers, as you see here. Once you've placed those parts together, assemble the screw into the screw hole on top of the caster. Using a screwdriver, fully tighten this down, and then repeat for the other side. To attach the caps to the top, first identify the snap hooks and make sure that they're lined up with the slots on the caster pod. Push that into place until you hear a click on both sides. To assemble the pull handle, line up the 2 holes on the handle with the 2 holes on the front of the frame. Next, take the included bolts, slot them through those holes, and fully tighten down with a screwdriver. To unfold the wagon, grab the front and rear frames and pull apart, then push down in the center until you hear a snap. To adjust the pull handle, push in on the spring pin at the base, and then pull up to extend it out. To adjust the push handle, push in on the 2 gray buttons and rotate up to your desired height. Attach the storage bag with the 2 clips on either side, pushing them over the D-rings attached to the push handle. To extend the canopies, push on the gray buttons and pull up each canopy pole. Once the poles are extended, snap on the canopy with each of the connectors on the 4 corners of the wagon. Start with one side, unroll the canopy, and attach the other side in the same way. Push down on the rear brake bar to activate it, and lift up to release it. To fold the wagon, pull up on the strap in the center. Then push the front and rear frames together to get everything as compact as possible. Make sure both the rear and front tires are fully inflated before your first ride. And now you're ready to roll.